In today's class in 2-Minute Law School, we are talking about whether or not you can be detained or forced to show your receipt after shopping around. What this comes down to is something called the shopkeeper's privilege. Store employees are allowed to briefly detain someone if they have reasonable suspicion that the person is shoplifting. That means they can stop you, but only if they have a good reason to believe you stole something. They can't just stop you because you look suspicious or refuse to show a receipt. Now, if they do have a reasonable suspicion, they're allowed to ask questions or check your bags, but it has to be done in a reasonable way and for a reasonable amount of time. They can't lock you in a room for hours or use force unless there's a danger. So what about the receipt? Technically, you don't have to show your receipt unless store policy says you agreed to it, like at Costco, where showing a receipt is part of the membership rules. But in most regular stores, it's voluntary. That said, if you refuse and the employee actually saw you hide something or has a solid reason to think you stole, they might detain you under the shopkeeper's privilege. You don't have to show your receipt, but if they've got a good reason to suspect you, don't be surprised if they ask you to stick around. Class dismissed. But first, if you wish you went to law school or you just want to win that next argument with your friends, be sure to like and subscribe to get new classes when they drop.